10 Japanese home organization tips for safer living. Your home should be your safest place, but simple things like wet floors or misplaced keys cause thousands of falls every year. The Japanese have mastered the art of safe, organized living through small daily habits that take just seconds but prevent major accidents. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 10 simple Japanese techniques that can transform your home into a safer, cleaner space without expensive renovations or complicated systems. I'm Sarah, and welcome back to Senior Life Part, where we make daily living easier and safer for everyone. If you're new here, we share practical tips that really work, so hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest helpful content. The beauty of Japanese home organization isn't about perfection. It's about creating simple systems that protect you and reduce daily stress. These aren't just cleaning tips. They're safety strategies that have kept Japanese families healthy and accident-free for generations. Technique 1. Smart Footwear Zones. Let's start with something that might surprise you: keeping different slippers for different rooms. This isn't about being fancy. It's about preventing dangerous slips and falls. Japanese homes have strict footwear rules. Living room slippers stay in living areas. Bathroom slippers never leave the bathroom, and kitchen slippers remain in cooking spaces. This simple system keeps moisture from spreading throughout your home. Why does this matter for your safety? Water on floors is one of the leading causes of home accidents. When you wear wet bathroom slippers into the hallway, you're creating invisible slip hazards. Many viewers have told me they narrowly fell after stepping on damp spots left by bathroom slippers. Here's how to set this up in your home. Place a small, waterproof tray outside your bathroom door with dedicated bathroom slippers. Keep another pair near your kitchen sink for cooking and dishwashing. For outdoor areas like patios or garages, have separate slip-resistant footwear. This system costs almost nothing, but gives you incredible peace of mind. You'll notice your floors stay drier, you spend less time mopping, and most importantly, every step feels more secure. The Japanese believe each room deserves respect and protection. By keeping footwear separate, you're showing care for your entire living space while creating safer pathways throughout your home. Technique 2. Refrigerator Compartment System. The Japanese bento box teaches us that everything should have its designated space, and this wisdom works perfectly for organizing your refrigerator safely and efficiently. Most refrigerators become cluttered mazes where finding anything requires dangerous bending, reaching, and digging. This creates back strain and increases fall risk when you're off balance searching for items. Transform your refrigerator using the bento mindset. Create clear zones for different food types. Use transparent containers for vegetables so you can see everything immediately. Designate specific shelves for leftovers with large, easy-to-read date labels. Keep meat and fish in sealed trays on lower shelves. The magic happens when you organize everything at eye level or easy reach height. No more dangerous stretching to the back of high shelves or bending low to find hidden items. Everything visible, everything accessible, everything safe. This system prevents food waste because you see exactly what needs to be used first. It also reduces the time you spend standing with the refrigerator door open, which saves energy and reduces strain on your legs and back. For our Senior Life Part community, this isn't just about organization. It's about maintaining your independence and safety in the kitchen. When you can quickly grab what you need without risky movements, cooking stays enjoyable instead of becoming a challenge. Technique 3. Pocket Tissue Strategy. Here's a tiny habit that prevents big cleaning problems. Always keep pocket tissues within arm's reach throughout your home. Japanese people carry pocket tissues everywhere, and this simple practice eliminates the need for rushing to clean up spills before they become dangerous. Think about this scenario. You're relaxing in your favorite chair and accidentally knock over a glass of water. Without tissues nearby, you have to get up quickly, find cleaning supplies, and rush back before the water spreads. This hurried movement is when accidents happen. With tissues in your pocket, drawer, or side table, you handle spills instantly. No rushing, no dangerous hurrying, no water spreading to create fall risks later. Strategic tissue placement throughout your home. Keep packets in every room where you spend time. Tape small packs under tables, inside TV remote storage, near your bed, and in your car. This way, you're always prepared for immediate cleanup. Beyond spill control, pocket tissues help with personal hygiene, cleaning glasses, wiping hands after touching public surfaces, and covering coughs, all contributing to a cleaner, healthier living environment. This habit costs pennies, but delivers enormous safety benefits. When small messes get handled immediately, they never become big, dangerous problems that require extensive cleaning or create fall risks. Technique 4. Weather Protection System. Japanese weather preparedness goes beyond carrying umbrellas. They use smart systems that prevent water from entering homes and creating dangerous conditions. Compact folding umbrellas with drip-proof covers are standard in Japan. These aren't just convenient, they're safety tools that prevent indoor water hazards that cause thousands of falls each year. The problem with traditional umbrellas: they drip water across your entryway, creating invisible slip zones that remain dangerous long after you've forgotten about them. Many of our viewers have shared stories about near falls caused by wet umbrella drips. Your solution: use compact umbrellas with protective sleeves or create a designated umbrella drop zone near your entrance. Place an absorbent tray or mat specifically for wet umbrellas. This contains all moisture in one safe area instead of spreading it throughout your home. Lightweight folding umbrellas also reduce physical strain. Carrying heavy, large umbrellas can throw off your balance, especially in windy conditions. Compact versions are easier to handle and store safely. Consider keeping backup umbrellas in your car, by your front door, and even in a bag you take on errands. Being prepared for unexpected weather prevents rushing and making dangerous decisions during storms. Remember to like this video if you're finding these tips helpful. It really helps us reach more people who could benefit from safer living strategies. Technique 5. Spill Prevention Methods. Japanese packaging design teaches us to prevent messes rather than cleaning them up afterward. This no-drip philosophy can dramatically reduce kitchen accidents. Traditional reactive cleaning means waiting for spills to happen, then rushing to clean them before they cause problems. This approach creates stressful, accident-prone situations. Proactive spill prevention changes everything. Place protective trays under bottles that might drip. Use plates as catch trays when eating soup or saucy foods. Put absorbent mats under water jugs or coffee makers. These small barriers catch problems before they reach your floors or countertops. No rushing to clean, no wet floors, no slip hazards, no stress. Kitchen applications. Use rimmed baking sheets as spill catchers under mixing bowls. Place cutting boards on towels to prevent sliding. Keep absorbent cloths tucked under frequently used appliances. This prevention approach saves enormous amounts of cleaning time while eliminating the most common cause of kitchen falls, wet or slippery floors from food spills. The Japanese understand that controlling problems at their source is always easier than dealing with consequences later. For your home safety, this means fewer accidents, less physical strain from extensive cleaning, and more confidence moving around your kitchen. Technique 6. Container Management System. Smart storage container choices can eliminate kitchen struggles that lead to cuts, spills, and frustrating moments that increase accident risk. Japanese packaging prioritizes easy opening, secure storage, and mess-free use. This design philosophy should guide your kitchen organization choices. Difficult-to-open containers create multiple safety hazards. Struggling with tight lids can cause sudden slipping that leads to cuts or falls. Using knives or scissors on stubborn packages increases injury risk. Forcing containers open often results in contents spilling everywhere. Better container solutions. Choose storage with flip-top lids that open with light pressure. Select glass jars with large, easy grip tops. Use containers with clear labeling so you grab the right item immediately. Label everything with large, clear writing, including storage dates. This prevents having to examine multiple similar containers, reducing the time you spend holding heavy items or bending in awkward positions. Organization system. Group similar items in designated zones. Keep frequently used items at comfortable reaching height. Store heavy containers on lower shelves where they're easier to access safely. This systematic approach eliminates daily kitchen frustrations while reducing injury risks from struggling with poorly designed storage solutions. Technique 7. Entry Organization Hub. Create a command center near your entrance that prevents the frantic searching that leads to rushed movements and potential falls. Japanese train station lockers inspire this drop zone concept, a designated space for everything you need when entering or leaving your home. The scattered approach creates danger. Keys left in different rooms require searching that involves bending, reaching, and hurried movements. Glasses placed randomly mean dangerous navigation while your vision is impaired. Important papers scattered throughout the house create stress that leads to careless accidents. Your drop zone solution: install a small shelf or table near your entrance. Add hooks for keys and bags. Include a tray for glasses, mail, and small items. Keep a notepad for important reminders. Establish the habit. Everything goes in the drop zone when you enter. Everything comes from the drop zone when you leave. This eliminates searching, reduces rushing, and creates calm, organized daily routines. Safety benefits extend beyond organization. When you know exactly where essential items are located, you move through your home with confidence instead of uncertainty that can lead to accidents. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these organization tips. Many of these strategies work for any age, but they're especially valuable for maintaining independence and safety. Technique 8. Space Optimization Methods. Japanese living spaces teach us that open areas are safer areas. Reducing furniture bulk decreases collision risks and creates easier navigation throughout your home. Traditional bedroom setups often become obstacle courses. Large bed frames with sharp corners, bulky dressers that narrow walkways, and excessive furniture that makes cleaning and movement difficult. Space-saving alternatives. Consider platform beds with built-in storage instead of separate bed frames and dressers. Use multifunctional furniture like ottoman storage or sofa beds for guest rooms. Choose furniture with rounded edges and smooth surfaces. The goal isn't minimalism. It's creating clear pathways that reduce tripping hazards while maintaining comfort and functionality. Open space benefits. Easier cleaning with fewer obstacles to navigate around. Better lighting reaches all areas when furniture doesn't create shadows. Clear walkways provide confident movement, especially during nighttime navigation. Room layout strategy. Keep frequently traveled paths completely clear. Position furniture against walls when possible. Ensure adequate space around the bed for safe nighttime movement. This approach creates homes that feel larger, cleaner, and significantly safer for daily living while reducing the physical effort required for maintenance. Technique 9. Entrance Water Management. Proper umbrella storage systems prevent the water-related accidents that happen in entryways, often the most dangerous area of any home. Japanese businesses use umbrella stands with drainage and protective covers because they understand that wet entryways cause more slips than any other home area. Your entrance typically faces the most severe challenges. People enter with wet shoes, umbrellas, and rain gear. Without proper systems, this moisture spreads throughout your home, creating multiple slip hazards that persist long after the weather clears. Comprehensive water management. Place highly absorbent mats both inside and outside your entrance. Use umbrella stands with built-in drip trays. Keep towels designated specifically for drying wet items before they enter your living space. Advanced protection. Consider washable rugs that can handle heavy moisture. Install hooks for wet coats away from walkways. Use boot trays for wet footwear that contain moisture in one safe area. Maintenance routine. Check and replace saturated mats regularly. Empty umbrella drip trays before they overflow. Keep backup absorbent materials ready during storm seasons. This systematic approach to entrance water management eliminates the most common source of home slip and fall accidents while protecting your flooring and creating a welcoming, safe entry experience. Technique 10. Food Storage Separation Principle. The Japanese onigiri packaging method teaches us that keeping different food types properly separated maintains freshness while creating organized, safe refrigerator systems. Mixed storage creates problems. Vegetables stored with strong-smelling items absorb odors and spoil faster. Wet and dry items stored together cause premature spoilage. Poor organization leads to dangerous digging and reaching in crowded refrigerators. Separation system. Use dedicated containers for different food categories. Keep produce in ventilated containers that prevent moisture buildup. Store proteins in sealed containers that prevent cross-contamination. Label everything with clear dates and contents. Refrigerator zones. Create designated areas for daily items at easy reach height. Store backup and bulk items in less accessible areas. Keep emergency snacks and frequently needed items in consistent, memorable locations. This organization prevents food waste while ensuring you can quickly find what you need without dangerous refrigerator excavation that strains your back and increases fall risk. The broader principle applies throughout your home. When everything has a designated place and stays separated appropriately, daily tasks become easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Closing message. These Japanese techniques prove that small changes create significant safety improvements. You don't need to implement everything immediately. Choose one technique that addresses your biggest daily challenge and start there. The transformation happens quickly. Within days, you'll notice increased confidence moving through your home, reduced stress from lost items, and fewer close calls with spills or slips. Here on Senior Life Part, we believe your home should support your independence, not challenge it. These simple techniques help you maintain the lifestyle you want while staying safe and comfortable. Subscribe to our channel for more practical safety tips that really work. Comment below and tell us which technique you'll try first. I read every comment and love hearing about your successes. Remember to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from safer home organization. Together, we can help everyone create homes that are truly safe and enjoyable for years to come. Your home should be your sanctuary. With these Japanese-inspired techniques, it can be exactly that: safe, organized, and perfectly suited to support your daily life.